Package dimensions: 20.828 h by 7.112 l by 17.018 w centimeters. Fit type: universal. Country of origin: United States. Package weight: 0.181 kilograms. Top reviews from the United States. Should have gotten a long time ago. This is extremely easy to use. The strap allowed me to hang it from the lug nuts, which is extremely convenient. The hose is very pliable and the material allows it to be placed on the bleeder securely. When I bought the pressure bleeder, I had a system for draining the fluid in the garage. This is much less messy than my previous solution.